Once you have identified your post and attachment point, use a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill a 2-inch pilot hole into the mark. Take your receiver screw, lock washer, and DriveTite receiver and fasten them into each pre-drilled hole. Your lock washer will sit against the post, the receiver will sit against the lock washer, and the receiver screw will fit into the receiver, holding it firmly against the post. Using a power drill or impact driver, fasten the receiver screw into the post. Next, slide your cable through the cover and into the threaded crimp fitting, making sure it is fully seated against the body. Ensure that the cover is facing the correct way with the threaded interior closest to the post. Using our crimper, crimp the threaded crimp fitting twice. Make sure the 10 is visible on both crimp locations. Next, attach the threaded crimp fitting into the turnbuckle, turning it by hand only a couple of rotations. Then, start threading the turnbuckle into the receiver. Use the DriveTite wrench to tighten the turnbuckle into the receiver. When you tighten the turnbuckle into the receiver, this will pull the threaded crimp fitting further into the turnbuckle because of the threading. Once there are a few threads left on the turnbuckle, slide the cover down the cable and thread it onto the turnbuckle. This should be a tight fit. All you need is to repeat these steps on the other end of the run. The cut cable and tightening of the turnbuckle will create the tension and pull it tight.